LED upgrade on a driving light. So this is just a rear bumper driving light on a 2005 Lexus RX 330. And this is the old, above my thumb here, the old incandescent dull white light. And this is the new modified LED. It has another LED on the opposite side that's been installed. If you can see how bright it is, and we're out in bright daylight right now. And then this is the old desiccant, and that's what that looks like. Dull brown. You can barely see light in here. At nighttime you can barely see these, and daytime you definitely can see this. Same goes with the brake light replacement. That is super bright.